Well, I got my floor mats in today, so I'm up here picking them up. But I wanted to show you this because I couldn't get it on the other day because I needed to get a good bit. But this is the license plate holder. Instead of them drilling it here, it actually just uses the screws right there. It is made of solid steel, and it looks good. Looks good. So I thought I'd show you that. I mean, once I got the right bit that I could get that off a Torx bit, it just unscrewed off very easily, and we were able to tighten it back on. So hopefully I'll get my plates in the next week or so, and it'll look great. And today I'm gonna pick up the mats and put those in and show you all what they look like as well. So here's the opening sequence for the big Bronco. Which is definitely pretty cool. And here we go on this nice big screen. Yeah, I like the display on the Bronco. I think it's pretty nice. I know a lot of people have complaints because they want to tack. I don't know. I guess it's new and I'm excited about it, so I'm happy with the way it is. So I just think that's cool. I love the startups. All right, I just picked them up and I just put them in, and they fit very nice. They snap right in here, and I mean, they fit flush. Fantastic. Let's go look at the back. So here's the back seat right here. As you can see, they just fit nice and flush right there. And here's the driver's. And this is Bronco, snaps in two places here. I mean, it's just form fitted for the vehicle. I have the ones that fit the Bronco Sport, and I like them. So I kind of wanted to get these instead of some aftermarket. This is my choice and preference. But there you go. I mean, it's no big deal. They snap right in. And like I said, use Ford Pass points, and if not, it's like 205. So, and I'll put the invoice receipt on here so you can see where it is. And I'll give you the stock number for it too, also, if you want to look it up. Here's the stock number. It is M2D David Z Zebra 781-3300AA. That's for all four of the floor mats for your Bronco. And you can see it, though, $205. I had Ford Pass points from buying the vehicle and also from other maintenance I've done that gave me $182 off of it. So I only had to pay $39.92, which is a winner chicken dinner. Not bad at all. So hopefully this is something you guys might be interested in. They work great and I love them. Thanks a lot. Man, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Just comment, like, subscribe, and share. Take care, and y'all have a blessed day. Talk to you later.